struggling overseas, we ain't gotta see that they aren't just people, more like more brothers. Forget about colors, forget what you bang. Yo, let's help one another, give a hand and make a change. Remove the poverty and take away the pain. Let's do this together, make a change in one night. And just because they living, that don't mean they're living right. Yo, despite all the fights that I ever got into, this is the biggest one that I ever been to. Everybody fight for the things that you care for. If you don't, homie, what the hell are you here for? This shit is simple, we fighting for the peace. We all wrong people, we all never defeat. There's no time left, homie, the time is now. So do it for the people in general, vain power.